You don't look bad. You look tired. You look stressed. You look slouched. You look like life is slowly draining from their face. And the worst part is, they don't even realize it's happening. If you've ever looked at a photo of yourself and thought, why do I look worse than I feel? Or why do I look older than I should? This video is for you. Nothing here is extreme. Nothing here is mean. Every habit I talk about has a simple fix. Let's get into it. Here's something most people underestimate. The way you talk to yourself changes how your face sits on your body. Your body believes you. Your shoulders roll forward without you noticing. Your chest collapses slightly. Your eyes stop engaging fully with people and with the camera. That's why some people look uncomfortable, even when they're just standing still. When you stop attacking yourself and simply stand neutral, something shifts. Your posture opens up. Your breathing slows. Your face relaxes. You don't suddenly become confident overnight. You just stop shrinking yourself, and that alone makes you look better. Do this with me right now. Drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, take one slow breath. That small reset already changed how you look. You don't need to be shredded. You don't need abs. You don't need to live in the gym, but you do need movement. When you barely move your body, muscle tone fades, your neck leans forward, your upper back rounds, your head starts to sit in front of your shoulders instead of on top of them. That creates the tired look, the weak posture look, the something is off look. When you start moving your body a little each day, posture improves first, not weight loss. Posture. Your neck looks longer, your shoulders sit higher, your chest opens up, even your face looks sharper because everything is stacked better. Style can't save bad hygiene. Bad breath, greasy hair, irritated skin. People notice it instantly, even if they don't say a word. It changes how close they stand to you, how long they maintain eye contact, how comfortable they feel. When your breath is clean, your hair looks intentional, and your skin looks calm. People relax around you. You look more put together, even in simple clothes. It's not about being perfect. It's about not sending negative signals. Your face is the first place bad food shows up. Heavy sugar, salty junk, constant snacking late at night. It all leads to puffiness, redness, and dull skin. You wake up looking bloated. Your eyes look smaller. Your skin looks tired. When you start eating real food most of the time and drinking enough water, your face settles down. Swelling goes down. Your eyes look clearer. Your skin reflects light better. Same face, less inflammation. You can't outwork bad sleep. You can't out skincare bad sleep. When your sleep is bad, your face shows it. Dark circles, puffy eyes, low energy expression. You might feel used to it, but cameras make it obvious. When you fix your sleep timing, your face recovers fast. Eyes brighten, skin looks healthier, your energy shows up without effort. Sleep is not optional if you care about how you look. Humans were not designed to live under artificial light all day. When you never get sunlight, your body clock gets confused, your energy drops, your skin tone looks washed out, you feel off, even when nothing is technically wrong. A few minutes of sunlight each day resets your rhythm, your tone improves, your eyes look more awake. It's one of the simplest changes with the biggest visual payoff. More caffeine feels productive, but it quietly works against you. Too much caffeine dries you out. It increases stress hormones. It messes with your sleep. That shows up as redness, breakouts, tension in the face, and that wired but tired look. When caffeine is controlled, everything calms down. Better sleep, smoother skin, more stable energy. You look healthier because you actually are. Stress does not hide well. It sits in your jaw. It tightens your eyes. It hardens your facial expression. Even when you're not angry, you look tense. When you slow your breathing and give your nervous system breaks, your face softens naturally. You look calmer, more confident, more approachable. People can feel that difference instantly. This one seems small, but it adds up fast. Touching your face spreads oil and bacteria. That leads to acne, redness, and uneven texture. You don't notice it until your skin looks irritated. When you stop touching your face and let your skin barrier heal, your complexion evens out. Less redness, smoother texture, cleaner look. Small habit, big result. Posture might be the most underrated glow-up factor. Looking down all day shortens your neck visually. It creates the double chin effect, even if you're lean. Your shoulders drop and you look tired. When your head stacks over your shoulders, everything changes. Your neck looks longer, your jawline looks sharper, your body looks stronger. Same body, better alignment. In the morning, wash your face, brush and floss, step outside for a few minutes, roll your shoulders back and lift your chest. In night, clean your face, stretch your neck gently, slow your breathing, put your phone down earlier, 10 minutes total. The first week fixes sleep and posture. The second week cleans up skin and hair. The third week improves how clothes sit on your body. The fourth week upgrades presence, eye contact, and camera angles. Nothing extreme, just stacking simple habits. In my opinion, glow-ups aren't about becoming someone else. They're about removing what's quietly dragging you down. Save this video. Try these habits for 30 days. Take better photos with better posture and light. Most people don't need a new face. They need better habits. Subscribe if you want more simple, science-aware glow-up content. I'll see you in the next one.